And here we are in SoThink Video Converter, and as you can see it's a fairly simple looking screen. You do have some top menus here, but the place you'll be working mainly is just on the top bar here. You can see we've got an add file button there and we've got a convert button there. So what we're trying to do is to bring in the movie file that you want to convert, and then we want to actually select the type of conversion that you want, and then we need to convert it and output it into a folder. So I'll just run you through that. First of all, you add the file. So if you click on here and navigate to where your video is stored on your machine, in my case the video I'm going to use is in a folder called David's Party, and this is the movie. You can see it's 3.35 gigabytes and it's called 70years.mov. So it's a Apple movie file. I'm going to select it by clicking on it and then click on open. And as you can see, it's adding files and it appears in here. There is a little bit at the bottom here where you can actually preview. You'll find the screen will go black when you click it, and then the movie will appear in here. And you can step through that movie just to see what's going on. So this is where we've got so far. We've brought in the video, we've checked that it's the right video, and now we want to decide how we're going to convert it and what sort of conversion we want. At the moment this is set as an encoding profile for an iPad, but I'm going to assume that you want to compress it in order to upload it to YouTube or to Vimeo or some other web server. So I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to select HTML5 video. And as you can see, when I've got that selected, there are 4 options on the right hand side, and I'm going to choose this top one. This is a fairly good one to compress it just for uploading to YouTube. So I'm going to select that, and now you can see the profile is set to MP4, and that's the video, and there's the video we're looking at. So we've added the file, we've checked the encoding profile, and now what we want to do is to decide where we want to save it on the computer. Well, if you click on this browse button here, you can decide whereabouts on your computer you want to put it. I suggest for ease, unless you've got a particular folder that you want to keep it in, why not just pop it on the desktop? You can always move it afterwards. So select the desktop and click on OK, and there we are, it appears in here as desktop. So the only thing we have to do now is to set the conversion process off. So I'm going to click on the convert button at the top here. The screen goes black, and then you'll see this little dialog comes up here, and it shows that the file that we're converting is this 3.36 gigabytes, and how much time has elapsed and how much time we've got left before it finishes conversion. Well, I'm not going to make this video last that long, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause the video and come back to it when it's finished its converting. Well, as you can see, we're very nearly cooked now. It's 96%. There's 19 seconds on counting down, and we're very, very nearly there. And as soon as it's there, we're going to click on this open the output folder and have a look at it and see how big it is. It was 3.6 gigabytes, if you remember. Okay, there we are. All had been converted successfully. So we'll click OK. And what's happened here is that the screen has opened up. I'll just reduce the size of the screen so you can actually see it in there. This is my desktop, so I've got all sorts of things on the desktop. You'll probably have icons like this on there as well. And if you remember, the video was called 70th, and I'm just looking for it now. There it is, 70 years MP4. And if we look across there, you'll see now instead of being 3.6 gigabytes, it's now only 149 megabytes. And we could click on that and actually play it. And that's it. So it's playing and the sound's there and everything, and it's only 149 megabytes. So there you are. That's how to get a very big file down to a small file, and the quality is still pretty good. Hope that's helped you.